Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another episode. My name is Shreyas and today we're having a look at the Reddragon Karura. So this is a budget friendly gaming keyboard that's out there for like $50 out there. That's pretty awesome. So on the hardware, I gotta say it's really impressive looking at the hardware and considering it this price point. So it has something in Chinese, I believe. High speed, high control, high response gaming keyboard as it says. So some of the features: 7 backlight, 12mm keys, 19 without conflict, 7 keys exchange. It's only available for Windows, so it has Windows lock, variable speed, braid. There is red, there is green, there is dark blue, there is yellow. You get no light, white, and purple, and light blue. So that's pretty much it. You get different stuff here on English, Britain English, German, French, and Spanish, and Japanese and Chinese. So here are some of the features, and now let's go and unbox this up. It's covered in some plastic and some fibers. So as you can see, braid right here is this one, and this is gold plated. Okay, pretty cool stuff. So you get a Reddragon symbol right there. This is all that sandstone kind of texture. So as you can see guys, as soon as you turn it on, you get this blazing light. I mean, that's just cool, just very kick-ass. You gotta say, it's one of the most iconic keyboards I've ever seen. I mean, look at this gorgeous keyboard. I mean, look at this awesome design. I've really been messing around with this. Gotta say, it's one of the best I've ever seen. Thank you very much for watching this particular episode. If you did enjoy, make sure you subscribe there below. Also, don't forget to like the video.